Quick recap, there's my entire drawing back up. When I said method of joints, I obviously only drew that circle around one joint. You've only got about 5 minutes in the exam. To get something in the middle, better option, method of sections. I'm going to do exactly the same thing as I did before. I'm going to now draw a box around the bridge. What I don't want, I eliminate. That is the method of sections. That is as simple as it is. So they might have asked you to calculate this horizontal force or this horizontal force. Let's go through and do them both. Let's have a look. To calculate this force, I need to take moments about a point that cancels most of the other forces. If I take a moments about there, even though it's in free space, got that force there, I've got this force here. If I take moments about that point, it cancels. That distance is 0, that distance is 0, that distance is 0, and the maths is automatically easier. You can choose any point at all that you want, but I choose that one because it makes the maths easy and it cancels two unknowns where I don't need to bother about figuring them out first. So, force 4. Moments about, I'm going to call this point I don't know what, 0.7. Moments about 0.7 going that way equal moments about 0.7 going that way. I'm going to call that one down the bottom force 4. I'm going to take moments about this point, let's call it 0.7. Moments about 0.7 going clockwise equal the moments about 0.7 going anti-clockwise. Point F4 produces an anti-clockwise moment. This 50 produces a clockwise moment. This 84.4 produces an anti-clockwise moment, and it's 3 metres away. Take moments about there, so it's 1, 2, 3. That one doesn't count because the distance is 0, the distance is 0, the distance is 0. So force 4, therefore, force 4 equals, let me just do the maths, 1 times 50 is easy enough. 3 times 84.4 is 253.2 equals 303.2 divided by 107.32 equals 175. Now that's positive, which means I got my direction correct, so it's compression.